This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today's guest is Tyler. He is with O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. Thanks for being here, Tyler.
Thanks for having me. It's my pleasure.
Today we're going to talk about preventative maintenance for your heating and air conditioning system. What does that all entail?
Preventative maintenance is all about preventing problems before they occur. When we're doing our preventative maintenance, we're doing coil cleanings, drain line clearings, just going through the system, making sure it's working as efficiently as possible and keeping you comfortable.
Now let's talk about the O'Brien Service Company maintenance.
Yeah, so at O'Brien Service Company, we take maintenance very seriously. It starts first with getting to know our clients, the space or the commercial space that the systems are operating in. We do a detailed inspection of the system, making sure it's working efficiently and keeping you comfortable. One of the biggest failures that we do see with systems is drain lines backing up in the summertime. So maintenance is, we are clearing that drain line. We're looking for any future growth or anything like that and providing solutions to keep that clear so your system's running properly for you.
Is there anything else our home and business owners need to know?
Yeah, in addition to the HVAC maintenance, we also offer plumbing assessments. Our plumbers can come out and look at everything from replacing fixtures to drain lines backing up. They can make minor adjustments to keep your plumbing working properly in your home. And they are always, just like the HVAC, they are licensed and fully insured.
Anything else?
Yeah, give us a call at 910-799-6611 or go online to o'brienservice.com.
And again, that website is o'brienservice.com.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.